Hi everyone, we are Nishali, Kellyanne, Raga, and Gabriella, and we are medical students at Robert Wood Johnson Medical School. We are so excited to be traveling around the world with you in Atlas. Before we begin the video, please click on the link in the description box below. This survey will help us keep track of all the different things you learned along your journey. You can fill this form out by yourself or with your parents. Also, the description box below contains links to recipes that you will be hearing about in the video. We hope that you can try some of these new foods with your family. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy the video. Hi everyone, thank you for joining us at Wellness Around the World. I'm Atlas, and I can't wait to explore with you. Let's continue our mission to visit different countries and meet kids just like you so that we can learn about what they do to stay healthy. As we travel around the world, we will learn about how kids from different places play, exercise, and eat. If this is your first journey with us, please watch the short video titled Wellness Around the World Intro so that you are able to follow along on our trip. Today, we are traveling to China. Does anybody know where China is? That's right, China is in Asia and it has a population of 1.4 billion people. China is a very large country with many different languages spoken across different regions. There are many yummy foods and unique traditions found in each of the different provinces in China. What are some things you know about China? Do you know which wonder of the world is found in China? Today we are going to be visiting our friend Mei Li in China.
Hi friends, my name is Mei Li and I'm 8 years old. I live in Shanghai with my mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa. In China, we call them Mama, Baba, Popo, and Gong Gong. I'm getting ready for school now, and I'm about to get some breakfast. After I get dressed for school, I come down around 7 a.m. to have breakfast with my grandparents. My grandparents are eating congee, which is a traditional Chinese rice porridge that is a good source of carbohydrates and protein. To add extra nutritional value, my grandparents like to add ginger, which is good for digestion and has antioxidants. Antioxidants help us remove harmful chemicals from our body. Sometimes I have congee when I'm sick, but today my mom made me my favorite breakfast, jianbing. Jianbing is a crepe topped with eggs, scallions, cilantro, and a little sweet soybean paste. The eggs give me protein and the crepe is made of wheat, which is a carbohydrate. Both give me energy to start my day. This meal always fills me up. Now it's time to get to school. How do you get to school? I take the local bus to school with my parents. Shanghai has a very big transportation system. My school is 3 stops away and I am the first one in our family to get off. Here we are. Hey everyone, it's lunchtime. Chinese cuisine is full of many delicious foods. Today I am eating steamed buns. These can be steamed or fried, but I prefer steamed to avoid too much oil. The dumplings have shrimp and vegetables, which contain protein, carbohydrates, and fats. I'm also eating ku chow mein, which are stir-fried noodles packed with bok choy, ginger, and garlic. Ginger and garlic have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Anti-inflammatory foods help decrease inflammation in our bodies. Inflammation is when our bodies respond to injury or sickness with redness, heat, and swelling. Antibacterial foods help our body fight off bacteria and sickness. Bok choy is very good for you because it contains vitamin A, which helps your eyes. This is my friend Wang Zhu. He is eating mapo tofu, which is tofu marinated in a spicy bean sauce. Because he is vegetarian, he gets his protein source from tofu, which is made from soybean. The sauce contains chili peppers, which have vitamin A and C. School is over and I am home. I'm excited to drink some tea before getting started on my homework. I drink a glass of soybean milk, which is rich in protein and fiber and has no added sugars. My parents also like to drink kombucha, which is a tea with lots of probiotics. The probiotics help improve our digestion. They also like green tea because it is full of antioxidants and is super cozy during the winter. It's almost 6 p.m. now, which means it's time for dinner. Dinner is my favorite meal of the day. We typically make sure to have rice, soup, vegetables, and a protein source with our dinner. My family's favorite vegetables are eggplants, carrots, and broccoli. We are starting off with a hot, spicy soup called malatang. The soup is filled with meat, mushrooms, and sesame sauce. We also like to eat Buddha's Delight, which is a stir-fried dish of mixed vegetables and sauce. Next, we are having tofu with brown rice. This is called gai fan. Brown rice is healthier than white rice because it has more fiber and magnesium. In China, we like to share our meals. This is called communal eating. One way that my family and I eat communally is by using a hot pot. The hot pot is full of broth and is placed in the center of the dining table. Each of us cooks our own meat and vegetables in the broth. I love when we eat this meal because each of us can eat our favorite foods. After my homework, my dad and I play badminton together. Badminton is one of the most popular sports in China. I'm getting better at it, but my dad usually wins. Afterwards, I take a shower and go to sleep. I hope you guys had fun today, and I hope you will have hot pot with me one day.
Thanks for teaching us, Mei Li. Let's see all that we learned. Carbohydrates are how our body gets energy. What carbohydrates did Mei Li eat today? Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, and even whole grain foods. They help keep our stomachs happy and full. What foods and drinks did Mei Li have today that help her get the fiber she needs? Proteins are building blocks that our body uses to grow. What foods did Mei Li eat today that had a lot of protein in them? Today, Mei Li told us about a food that has antioxidants. Do you guys remember what antioxidants do? Can you name a spice that has a lot of antioxidants? Are there any Chinese foods that you would like to try with your own family? That's great. Thank you so much for traveling with me, everyone. Can you guess where we will go next? Next time, we will be joining our friend Anjali in India to see how she stays happy and healthy. See you soon.